Are you struggling to take a screenshot using a background service? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to help you solve it. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your code doesn't work as expected. You put in the effort, and yet it just doesn't capture the screen like you want it to. It's a common issue, and we're here to tackle it together. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, "How can I take a screenshot using a background service, similar to a Facebook chat head?" They shared their code, but it only captures the button instead of the entire screen. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what could be going wrong? The issue often lies in how the view is being captured. In this case, the code is trying to capture the root view of the chat head, which is not the entire screen. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To begin solving this issue, the user should ensure that they are capturing the correct view for the screenshot. Instead of using the chat head's root view, they need to capture the entire screen. Next, the user should check the permissions required for taking screenshots. They need to ensure that the app has permission to write to external storage. Now, the user should handle runtime permissions, especially for devices running Android 6.0 or higher. They need to request permissions at runtime before taking a screenshot. Finally, the user should test the updated code to ensure that the screenshot functionality works as intended. They can do this by clicking the chat head and verifying the saved image. Fun fact, did you know that the first screenshot was taken on a computer in 1960? It was a simple text-based image, but look how far we've come. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using the Media Projection Manager to create a screen capture intent. This method captures the entire screen, including the status bar, rather than just the chat head's root view. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your screenshot functionality on different devices. Screen sizes and resolutions can affect how your code behaves. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your background service should now be able to take screenshots successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.